Hey barbecue lovers, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best Bluetooth meat thermometer to elevate your cooking game. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Thermopro TP826B. Let's get started. Product feature: dual temperature probes. Features two durable coated probes to easily monitor two different meats or track dual cooking zones at the same time, giving you total control over your grill or oven. 150-meter wireless range. Step away from the heat. With an impressive 150-meter Bluetooth range, you can mingle with guests or relax while keeping a close eye on your delicious meal from a distance. 8 USDA presets. Cooking for family means safety first. Press the Meat button to choose calibrated temperatures for beef, poultry, pork, and more, guaranteeing safe and mouth-watering results. Automatic alarm. Never worry about overcooking. Once your food reaches the target temperature, a helpful alarm triggers automatically, ensuring your family meals are tender and juicy every single time. Large backlit display. Hosting an evening barbecue? The bright backlit screen ensures your temperature readings and timer settings are crystal clear, even in low-light conditions or indoor roasting. Simultaneous viewing. Experience stress-free cooking by viewing both temperature readings and timer data at the exact same time. It's a wonderful way to maintain complete confidence in your cooking. Extended Smart Timer. Whether you're slow smoking brisket or quickly grilling burgers, the Count Up and Count Down timer offers maximum flexibility, running up to an incredible 99 hours and 59 minutes. Pros: the Thermopro TP826B brings absolute peace of mind to your kitchen. The incredible wireless range means you can actually enjoy your own parties instead of being chained to the grill. Plus, having dual probes and built-in safety presets ensures you're serving perfectly cooked, safe meals to the people you care about most. Cons: while it is a wonderful kitchen companion, managing two long probe cables can sometimes feel tangled if you're in a rush. Also, if you aren't used to digital tools, taking a short moment to learn the preset buttons is needed. Final thoughts. Cooking for your loved ones should be a joyful experience filled with laughter, not stress over dry food. This beautiful tool gives you the gift of time and confidence, allowing you to create unforgettable, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Treat yourself to a smoother, happier cooking journey today. Ready to transform your family dinners forever? Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Subscribe to Cool Product and like this video so we can keep bringing you the best tools to make life wonderful.